Good day, everyone. Today we're ecstatic to present our topic entitled Market Research in Entrepreneurial Context. Furthermore, during our presentation, we will cover the following. To start, what is the reason for market research? What kind of data is needed? Primary versus secondary data, organizing and analyzing your data, and last but not the least, qualitative versus quantitative research. But before that, we are delighted to introduce ourselves. Hi, I am Lois Marie M. Ofalla. Market Research in Entrepreneurial Context. Key issues. Explain importance of market research to help underpin decisions with facts. Define primary and secondary data. Discuss qualitative versus quantitative research. Explain how to organize market and analyze data. 6.1 Reason for market research. Market research is essential for entrepreneurs to gather, analyze, and interpret data about the marketplace and industry to understand its size, nature, and development. It helps reduce uncertainty and risk in business decisions. But eliminating all risk is impossible due to unknowns in the time and cost of market research. The entrepreneur, risk, perceptions, and attitude determine the level of market research needed. Market research helps validate product concepts, refine ideas, discover target segments, and position new products. Despite being expensive, market research is valuable for ongoing businesses and predicting market reality. It helps us assess the impact of new technology and innovation, develop business models, and obtain funding. Critics argue that collecting customer feedback is not market research. Market research is a systematic process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about a specific market, industry, or target audience. Its primary goal is to provide businesses and organizations with valuable insights and data to make informed decisions and solve various business-related challenges. Market research serves several important purposes in the business world. First, understanding customer needs. Second, identifying opportunities. Third, competitive analysis. Fourth, product development. Fifth, pricing strategy. 6. Marketing and advertising. 7. Risk mitigation. 8. Market segmentation. 9. Measuring customer satisfaction. And 10. Legal and regulatory compliance.
I'm Billy Bodegas, the second reporter, and I discuss 6.2. What kind of data is needed to develop a new business? Understanding the industry and market, as well as the behavior of stakeholders, is crucial. Detailed insight into social, economic, legal, ethical, political, and other trends is also necessary. Legal issues can arise when using cookies on user device to analyze data. A systematic review of these factors' impact on the entrepreneur's business is necessary. Industry reports to firm focusing on the same activities in suppliers, while market considers the place where consumers and providers meet. Knowledge about competitors' product and behavior is needed to position your product effectively. Understanding customer behavior and distribution channels is also essential. Market research generates data to assess market potential and product market fit. So, data is the collective information related to a company and its operation. This can include any statistical information, raw analytical data, customer feedback data, sales number, and other sets of information.
Primary data collection involves collecting data specifically and uniquely for a research question or questions. Secondary data is readily available and may not fit your needs, but it can provide a description of the market and its trends. Primary data collection requires basic knowledge of research methods and benefits from a framework or theoretical model of the phenomenon you want to study. Identifying appropriate models and using them to guide your research will increase the validity and reliability of the results. Two important types of primary research for entrepreneurs are problem interviews with customers from the entrepreneur's target, segment and co-creation work with lead customers to develop the invention, such as product, concept, and prototype. Problem interviews aim to understand customers' product use and buying behavior, while co-creation work requires close interaction to foster trust and knowledge transfer. Preventing or reducing sampling bias is a key issue in primary data collection. For entrepreneurs doing market research on a limited budget and focusing on emerging innovative ideas, the chance of bias is real due to the research limited scale and scope. Relying on family and friends for product feedback is another common mistake, as it may not provide honest feedback. Primary data is all about collecting ideas that can help you for your research questions. When collecting primary data, you need to have basic ideas to be fit with your study. When you have basic knowledge, it will be easy for you to understand what you study. Second, data's value depends on its credibility and reliability. For consistency, research different perspective and definition used in different sources. If data from multiple sources is consistent, evaluate the quality and reliability of the source, as many publications use the same public report or database. Examples of secondary data collection is Census Bureau, Chamber of Commerce, industry association and societies, semi-governmental research agencies, banks, specialized market research reports, presentation on the internet, newspapers, and the industry, magazines, firms' annual reports, primary data collection sources, market research agencies, and consultants, students' projects. That's all.
I am Vincent Veedor. 6.4. Organizing and analyzing your data. Primary research can be conducted by entrepreneurs, consultants, students, or market researcher agencies. Understanding the market research method is essential to judge proposal and prevent overspeeding. External validity and reliability are crucial as they involve asking the right subject and measuring the correct things. Outsourcing may be useful in short run, but it's not recommended to long run. Involving in market research yourself is allowed for better appreciation of result and better understanding of customer perspective. It's recommended to use a systematic approach from the start, collecting secondary data continuously and categorize it using external analysis format. Data analysis is an important step, with primary data being relatively easily and secondary data more complex. For secondary data structure, the data topic was using the business plan format and analyze or add primary insights to generate scenarios. For example, a 3D Abel matrix can be used to understand how current technologies are related to customer segments and their needs. Scenarios of market changes due to the entrepreneur's new technology application can be explored. Market researcher helps test assumption and underpin business models and plan. And it does not only include primary data collection but also secondary data analysis. Primary research is highly suggested as the first step for planning and research to start a run a business. By understanding this method is essential because it contains with different variation. Example for that is the external validity and the reliability. It also involving the right and the correct decision for it. It's highly worked on short runs and not in long runs. In market research, it gives a better result by the strategy of collecting a secondary data. So, what is the secondary data? Secondary data is just a analyzed or add a primary insight to generate a scenario. It's like what is the customer needs for a particular product. 6.5. Qualitative versus quantitative data. Qualitative research is a type of research that uses text, images, or stories to capture a phenomena and relationship between variables. It can be conducted through in-depth or half-structured interviews, focus groups, observation, and colleges, and writing a feedback. Qualitative research aims to explore a phenomenon and requires the skills to pick up on the little signals in the story and interviews. The distinction between the qualitative and quantitative research is not clear-cut as it may seem. For example, the small user text of quantitative samples can be help check consistency of the answer receiving in open questioning. Technical issues should be tested, such as product advantages against competitors as businesses progress. Traditional market research becomes more important, providing customer satisfaction and competitor data for market-oriented decisions. Therefore, it is better to develop the market research skills early in the process in building market information system. Explanation. Qualitative is a type of research that focuses on the topic by using image, text, and what is the relation on each variable of the topic. While the quantitative research focuses on quantifying the collection and data analysis. Each two have a different insight, but for me, the effective is the qualitative research. Qualitative research is the one that fits in this industry because it brings the old tradition for the business plan, which is more effective and more useful.
Summary. Market research is important to reduce risk in the entrepreneurial decision by helping validate assumptions made at different stages of the startup innovation process. Both secondary data and primary data can help. The first is freely available and provides a view of the market. The latter is costly but addresses an entrepreneur's specific question and needs. Market research requires knowledge of methods and models. If this is lacking, seek assistance. By doing market research, the entrepreneur will learn the importance of customers and market information for making decisions and building capabilities. Market research is best considered and organized as a continuous process evolving into a market information system. Problem interview and customer co-creation are forms of qualitative research and are prone to selection bias. Thank you for spending your precious time with us by listening and watching to our presentation. Hope you gained another learning, so that is all we have for today. Thank you and have fun.